What is a VPN? Core concept. A VPN, Virtual Private Network, creates an encrypted tunnel between your device and a remote server operated by the VPN provider. It's essentially a secure, private pathway through the public internet. The three main components. 1. VPN client, software installed on your device, app, browser extension, or built into OS. Point 2. Handles authentication with the VPN server. Point 3. Encrypts outgoing traffic and decrypts incoming traffic. Point 4. Manages connection stability, protocol selection, and kill switches. Point 2. VPN server. A remote machine operated by the VPN provider. Can be located anywhere in the world. You typically choose the location. Acts as your exit point to the internet. Handles decryption of your traffic and forwards requests to their destinations. Multiple users often share the same server IP. Adds some anonymity through crowd blending. The encrypted tunnel. A logical connection where all data is encrypted before transmission. Uses VPN protocols to establish and maintain the connection. Prevents anyone between you and the server from reading traffic. How the connection is established. Point 1. You launch the VPN client and select the server. Point 2. Client authenticates with the server, certificates, username, password, or keys. Point 3. A secure handshake occurs. Both sides agree on encryption keys. Point 4. Tunnel is established. All traffic now routes through it. Point 5. Your device gets assigned an internal VPN IP address. Point 6. Connection is maintained with periodic keep alive packets. Common VPN protocols. WireGuard, OpenVPN, IKE version 2 IPsec, L2TP IPsec, PPTP. Types of VPN. Remote access VPN. Individual connects to a VPN server, consumes VPNs. Site-to-site VPN connects entire networks together, corporate use. Personal VPN, self-hosted on your own server. Full control, but no IP masking benefit beyond your server's location. Video 2. What a VPN actually does to your data. The encryption process, step by step. Step 1. Packet creation. You request a web page, send a message, etc. Your device creates a data packet with source IP, destination IP, and payload. Step 2. Encryption. The VPN client encrypts the entire original packet, headers plus payload. Common algorithms. AES-256, symmetric encryption, military grade, used by OpenVPN. ChaCha20, symmetric encryption, faster on mobile, used by WireGuard. A new outer packet is created with VPN server as the destination. Step 3. Encapsulation. Original packet is wrapped inside the encrypted outer packet. This is called tunneling, a packet inside a packet. Only the VPN server address is visible externally. Step 4. Transmission. Encrypted packet travels across the internet, passes through your router, ISP, various network hubs. None of these can read the contents. Step 5. Decryption at VPN server. Server receives the outer packet, strips encryption, reveals original packet, forwards requests to the actual destination, meaning google.com. Step 6. Response. Destination server responds to the VPN server. VPN server encrypts the response, sends it back through the tunnel to your device. Your client decrypts it. What's protected from different observers? What's protected from different observers? Observer, your ISP, sees every domain, connection timing, data volume. While with VPN sees only VPN server IP, encrypted blobs. Wi-Fi admin can see and intercept unencrypted traffic, sees encrypted traffic only. Network hackers can perform MITM on encrypted connections, can't read encrypted tunnel. Destination website sees your real IP, can log it, sees VPN server IP, but remains visible even with VPN to your ISP that you're using a VPN. The VPN server's IP timestamp, total data volume to the VPN provider, everything your ISP would have seen. To destination sites, your browser fingerprint, cookies, logged in identity, the content you sent them. Encryption layers. Explained. VPN encryption protects the tunnel, you, VPN server. HTTPS encryption protects the content, you, website. These are independent. HTTPS works with or without VPN. VPN has protection for non-HTTPS traffic and hides metadata from your ISP. Next is video 3. How VPN changes your IP address. Understanding IP addresses first.